Dear children, it is a continuation of the chapter Coordinate Geometry. Now the exercise 1 is continued. The sixth question. Name the type of quadrilateral formed by these 4 points and give reasons for your answer. Here we have to name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points, and also we have to give the reason. 3 set of 4 points are there, and we have to verify whether we will get a quadrilateral by joining these points in pairs. And if you got that they are not collinear, if no 3 points are collinear, then there is a chance of getting quadrilateral. Here you know that first we have to find the distance between the pairs of two consecutive points AB, BC, CD, DA, and after that we have to verify whether if it is a quadrilateral, what type of quadrilateral is formed here. Now let us take one by one. First one is -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2, -3, 0. Now let us take A is a point with coordinate -1, -2. B is a point with coordinate 1, 0. C is a point with coordinates -1, 2. D is a point with coordinates -3, 0. Now we have to find AB, BC, CD and DA, and also, and if it is necessary we have to find the diagonals also. Now to find AB, you take the points A with the coordinates -1, -2 and B with the coordinates 1, 0. So you take x1, y1 and x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. Then you find AB. AB means the distance between A and B. The distance formula is to be taken here. What is the distance formula? AB equals x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then the x1 is, x2 is 1 minus -1 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus of -2 whole square we have to find. Then AB equals, you take 1 minus of -1, 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of -2, 2 square. Then AB equals, you take 2 square plus 2 square. Then it is AB equals square root of 4 plus 4 equals square root of 8. That equals square root of 4 into 2. 8 can be expressed as 4 into 2. 4 is a square number into some other number. So you got square root of 4 into 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 2. So you consider this is the first one. First side you got AB. Next you take BC. The points of BC are 1, 0, -1, 2. B 1, 0. C -1, 2. So what you have to find out here? To find BC. B is a point with coordinates 1 and 0. C is a point with coordinates -1, 2. Now to find BC, you write BC equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then BC equals square root of, you take x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 2 minus 0 whole square. Then BC equals square root of minus 1, sum of minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2. That is minus 1, minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 0, 2 square you got. Then BC equals square root of minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 4. Again you got root 8 which is equals to square root of 4 into 2. Then it is 2 root 2. So you take this is second. To find CD, the third side, here C is a point with coordinates minus 1, 2 and D is a point with coordinates minus 3, 0. So you write CD equals whole root. Again the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is a distance formula. Now x1 y1, this is x2 y2, then x2 minus x1. So CD equals square root of x2 is minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square, then plus 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 whole square. So CD equals square root of minus 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 is minus 2 whole square. Then CD equals minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Then CD is, you got 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is also 4. Again you got root 8 which is equals to square root of 4 into 2 equals 2 root 2. That is third one. Third one you got. You got three sides AB, BC, CD. Now let us get DA or AD. A is a point with coordinates minus 1, minus 2. D is a point with coordinates minus 3, 0. So you take, to find AD, A is a point with coordinates minus 1, minus 2. B is a point with coordinates minus 3, 0. So you write the distance formula again. AD or DA you write. AD is here, you take x1, y1, x2, y2, then x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 0 minus of minus 2 whole square. Then AD equals, you write minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 whole square. Then AD equals minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 whole square plus 2 square. Then AD equals minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 4, then it is 8. Square root of 8 equals square root of 4 into 2 equals 2 root 2. You got the fourth one. So from first, second, third, fourth, you got the sides are equal. AB equals BC equals CD equals DA. All you got 2 root 2, 2 root 2 only. Therefore, all the four sides are equal. Now also you find the diagonals. Here we have to find the type of quadrilateral. Therefore, after getting the diagonal, then you can get the idea of the type of quadrilateral. Therefore, you find the diagonal AC and BD. So here AC. A is a point with coordinates minus 1 and minus 2, and C is a point with coordinates minus 1 and 2. So you write, to find the diagonal AC, to find the diagonal AC, A is a point with coordinates -1, -2, and C is a point with coordinates -1, 2. So AC equals, write the distance formula, it is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then AC equals square root of, we take x1 y1 x2 y2, then x2 is -1 minus of -1 whole square plus y2 is 2 minus of -2 whole square. Then AC equals 1 minus of -1, 1, that will give us -1 plus 1, 0 square, plus 2 plus 2 whole square, that equals 0 plus 4 square, you got 4 square equals 4. So you got AC equals 4. Then to find the other diagonal BD, to find the diagonal BD, consider this is the fifth. Next, B is a point with coordinate, B is a point with coordinate 1, 0, and D is a point with coordinates -3, 0. Then you find BD equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. BD equals x2 is, you take here x1 y1 x2 y2. BD equals whole root x2 is -3 and x1 is 1, -3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is 0, y1 is also 0, 0 minus 0 whole square. Then BD equals whole root -3 minus 1 is -4 whole square plus 0 square equals, BD equals square root of 16. Square root of 16, that equals 4. You got, that is the fifth one. Sixth one, that is sixth one. Therefore here from fifth and sixth diagonals are equal, got that, and all sides are equal. You got AB equals BC equals CD equals DA, all are equals to 2 root 2, and these are the sides. And diagonals AC equals BD, both are equals to 4. Therefore you can say that all the sides are equal, diagonals are also equal. The figure is a quadrilateral and also it is a square. ABCD is a square, right? As all the sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. Therefore ABCD is a square. It is a quadrilateral and it is a square. Next you take the second set of 4 points, -3, 5, 3, 1, 0, 3, -1, -4. Then you consider A is a point with coordinates -3, 5, B is a point with coordinates 3, 1, and C is a point with coordinates 0, 3. D is a point with coordinates -1, -4. Then you point AB, BC, CD, DA. So you take first one to find the side AB. To find AB, A you take, A is a point with coordinates 3, 5, and B is a point with coordinates 3, 1. Then you write AB equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here these are the points x1, y1. These are the point x2, y2. Then you write AB is equals to whole root x2 minus x1 3 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 1 minus 5 whole square. Then AB equals square root of 3 plus 3 6 square plus 1 minus 5 minus 4 whole square. So AB equals, you got 36 plus 16. So you got AB is 52, square root of 52. Consider this is the first one. Then find BC. BC you take. To find the side BC, to find BC, B is a point with 3, 1, C is a point with 0, 3. B is a point with 3, 1, that is 0, 3. 3, 1, 0, 3. So you take the distance formula to find BC, right? BC equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then these are the points x1, y1, x2, y2. Then BC equals square root of x2 is 0, 0 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 whole square. Then BC equals square root of minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1 is 2 square. Then BC equals square root of 9 plus 4 equals square root of 13. Square root of 13. That is the side, second side BC. Consider that is the second. To find the third side CD, to find CD, C is a point with coordinates 0, 3 and D is a point with coordinates minus 1, minus 4. Then CD equals the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x1, y1 0, 3 and x2, y2 are minus 1, minus 4. Then you write CD equals square root of x2 is minus 1 minus 0 whole square plus minus 4 minus 3 whole square, that is minus 1 minus 0, 4 minus 4 minus 3. So CD is equals to minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 whole square equals square root of 1 plus 49. To find DA, D is a point with coordinates minus 1, minus 4 and A is a point with coordinates minus 3, minus 3, 5. Minus 3, 5 and write DA or AD. DA equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So it is x1, y1, x2, y2. Then dA equals square root of x2 minus x1, that is minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 4 whole square. Then dA equals square root of minus 3 minus of minus 1 is plus 1 whole square plus 5 plus 4 whole square. So dA equals square root of minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 whole square plus 9 whole square. Then dA equals root 2 whole square is 4 plus 9 square is 81, that equals root 85. So this is the fourth one, that is CD, that is the third one, and this is second, and this is first, and AB is equals to root 52. AB is equals to root 52, and BC is equals to, BC is second one, that is root 13, root 13. Then CD is third one, third side, that is root 50. Then DA is equals to fourth one, that is root 85. And also find the diagonal AC and BD. AC is, A is a point with coordinates minus 3, 5, and C is a point with coordinates 0, 3. So the coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. So you take AC equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equals x2 is 0 minus of minus 3 whole square, then y2 is 3 minus 5 whole square, then you got 0 minus 3, that is 0 plus 3 whole square, 3 minus 2 is minus 2 whole square, you got, that is 3 square plus minus 2 whole square is 4, you got AC equals what? 9 plus 4 equals root 13. Then to find diagonal BD. B is a point with coordinates 3, 1, and D is a point with coordinates minus 1, minus 4. Then you write BD equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So BD equals square root of x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is minus 1, minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus 4 minus 1 whole square. So BD equals square root of minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 whole square plus minus 5 whole square. Then BD equals minus 4 whole square is 16 plus 25. You got square root of 41. Now you got the sides AB, BC, CD, DA and the diagonals AC, BD. Now let us observe whether it is a quadrilateral or not, and if it is a quadrilateral, then what type of quadrilateral it is, that you have to identify. Now you take AB is root 52, BC is root 13, CD is root 50, DA is root 85, diagonal AC is root 13 and diagonal BD is root 41. Now we have to verify whether any 3 points are collinear here. Now you can observe root 52. Root 52 is, you can write 4 into 13. 4 is a square number into 13. Square root of 4 is 2. So you got it is root 13. 2 root 13 and BC is root 13 is there. And now here there is a root 13. And if you add these two, root 13 plus root 13, you will get 2 root 13. Therefore you can say that AC plus BC, you will get AB. How? That is, AC is root 13 plus BC is also root 13, that equals AB is 2 root 13. So you got AC plus BC equals AB. It means the points A, B and C are collinear. Therefore you can write, therefore the points A, B, C are collinear. 3 points are collinear means here it is not possible to get the quadrilateral by these 4 points. The points will be like this way, 1, 2, 3 and this 4 1, and these 3 points are on the same line. Then third one you will get a triangle here. Here if you have, this is AB, that is AC plus BC, and this is the point D. So here there is no quadrilateral. A, B, C points are collinear, so there is no quadrilateral. You can't get the quadrilateral. You write no quadrilateral. No quadrilateral. That is the second set of 4 points is not a quadrilateral. Now let us take the third set of 4 points. The points are 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 2. We have to verify whether it is a quadrilateral or not first. After that, what type of quadrilateral it is. So here first let us find out the distance between the points. If you consider the points are A, B, C, D, find A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A and also the diagonals A, C and B, D, and find their, take the 4 points. Let A is a point with coordinates 4, 5, B is a point with coordinates 7, 6 and C is a point with coordinate 4, 3. D is a point with coordinates 1, 2. Now you find the AB, BC, CD, DA. So you write to find AB, to find AB. So you take A 4, 5 and B 7, 6. So write the distance formula. AB equals whole root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Consider x1 y1, x2 y2. Then you write AB equals whole root x2 minus x1. You write x2 is 7 minus 4 whole square plus y2 6 minus 5 whole square. Then AB equals whole root 7 minus 4 3 square plus 6 minus 5 1 square. Then AB equals square root of 9 plus 1 equals root 10. Consider this is the first one. Then you find BC. 7, 6, 4, 3 are the points. 7, 6, 4, 3. So to find BC, B is a point with coordinates 7, 6 and C is a point with coordinates 4, 3. Write the distance formula. BC equals whole root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So BC equals whole root, that is you consider x1 y1, x2 y2. Then you write x2 minus x1 is 4 minus 7. You will get 4 minus 7 is 3 plus then 3 minus 6, y2 minus y1 is 3 minus 6 whole square then it is BC is equals to 4 minus 7 is minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 6 is minus 3 whole square. You got minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 9 equals root 18. We can express it as square root of 9 into 2, then it is 3 root 2. Now here this is second one. Consider this is the second one. Then to find CD, to find the third side CD, to find CD, you got AB and BC sides. Now you find the side CD. So C is a point with coordinates 4, 3 and D is a point with coordinates 1, 2. Then you find CD or DC. CD equals whole root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then CD equals x2, you take x1 y1, x2 y2, then x2 is 1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus 3 whole square. Then CD equals 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square. Then CD equals square root of whole square. Square root of minus 3 whole square is, that is minus 3 whole square is 9, minus 1 whole square is 1, and you got root 10. Whole root 9 plus 1 is root 10. Now you consider this is the third one. Next you find DA. A is a point with coordinates 4, 5 and D is a point with coordinates 1, 2. So you take to find DA. D is a point with coordinates 1, 2 and A is a point with coordinates 4, 5. Write DA, distance formula. DA is equals to whole root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then DA equals whole root x2 minus x1 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 5 minus 2 whole square. Then DA is equals to 4 minus 1 3 square plus 5 minus 2 3 square. Then it is whole root 3 square plus 3 square 9 plus 9 root 18. Then it is square root of 9 into 2 equals 3 root 2. So this is the fourth one. So you got from first and second here, you got that AB is root 10 and also CD is also root 10. Here CD is root 10 and also AB is also root 10. Then BC is 3 root 2 and DA is also 3 root 2. So if you consider this is a quadrilateral ABCD, AB and DC. AB and DC are root 10 and root 10 and AD and BC are. AD and BC are 3 root 2 and 3 root 2. So what you can write? AB is equals to DC is equals to root 10 and AD is equals to BC is equals to 3 root 2 you got. 3 root 2. Next also find the diagonal. You got that here the opposite sides are equal. Then to find the diagonals. To find the diagonals. To find the diagonals. Diagonals are AC and BD. Diagonals AC and BD. So to find AC first. To find A is a point with coordinates 4, 5 and C is a point with coordinates 1, 4, 3. Then you write AC. AC equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So you consider x1, y1, x2, y2. Then AC equals whole root x2 is 4 minus x1, that is 4 minus 4. Then plus y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 5 whole square. Then AC equals square root of, you write square here, square root of 0 square plus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 is minus 2 whole square. So AC equals square root of 0 plus 4 equals square root of 4 equals 2 you will get. Then also to find the diagonal BD. To find diagonal BD, B is a point with coordinates 7, 6, D is a point with coordinates 1, 2. Then you write BD is equals to the distance formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then you write BD equals square root of x1, y1, x2, y2. Then x2 is 1 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus y, that is y2 minus y1, 2 minus 6 whole square. Then BD equals 1 minus 7 minus 6 whole square plus 2 minus 6 minus 4 whole square. So BD equals minus 6 whole square is 36 plus 4 square is 16. 36 plus 16 you got 52 root 52. That equals, you can write square root of 4 into 13 equals 2 root 13 you got. So you got the unequal diagonals. Here diagonals are unequal. So you got that ABCD is a quadrilateral and the opposite sides AB and DC are equal, that is root 10, and AD and BC are the opposite sides, they are also equal, 3 root 2, and diagonals are unequal. So as opposite sides are equal, and diagonals are unequal, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram.